Bad news of the night. Termite on termite violence is increasing across the country as safe food gets harder to find. And even worse news of the night, these wise guys who are building homes keep hiring other wise guys to hose them down with Bora-Care. More of the food gets inedible. More termites get desperate. More termites turn to violence. And on the cycle goes until what? You tell me, because I don't know anymore. In fact, I don't even want to think about it. I'm Termike, and this is Termite Talk. Termite Talk is brought to you every week by woodfinder.bug. If you're like me, you like to find a safe Bora-Care free source of quality food. At woodfinder.bug, you'll get expert reviews and opinions at the best places to eat nationwide. Woodfinder.bug for the Epicurean subterranean. Now let's talk about this Bora-Care menace. We had a good thing, people. We did. We had it, and we didn't appreciate it. And now it's being taken right from our claws. We should have appreciated the gift, the miracle of spray foam insulation. While we could. It was safe. It kept the wood nice and moist. It gave us all the privacy we needed. And our communities thrived behind the beautiful closed-cell cloud from heaven. But now they're applying Bora-Care to the wood before spray foam. We didn't appreciate it, and now we're being punished. Anyway, I'm sick of talking about it. Enough of this.
Spray foam insulation can hide a big secret. Termites. This moist environment creates a perfect unseen place for termites to thrive. By the time you find the damage, it may be too late. Some pest companies have even dropped warranties of homes with spray foam insulation. Now there's a solution. A whole house Bora-Care treatment prior to spray foam insulation. This one-time treatment remains in the wood, providing years of residual protection. It's the best of both worlds, the best insulation and the best termite protection. All backed by the Bora-Care 30-year limited warranty for new construction. Tell your builder to use a whole house termite treatment. Build in durability. Build with Bora-Care.
When we come back, crickets. Friend or foe? We'll get to the bottom of it. This is Termite Talk.